Hello everyone, Roshan Drives here, and in this video we'll be learning what is the biting point of the clutch. So guys, the term biting point, I have used it in many of my videos. That's because biting point is very important if you are driving a manual car. If you know the correct biting point of your car, it will help you a lot in many things like moving your car from standstill, doing a hill start, changing the gears smoothly, and so on. So what actually is a biting point? So when you release the clutch pedal, at a point you will notice that your car will start to move forward. That's the point where your engine power is transferred to the wheel and your car will start to move. So that point is called the biting point of your car. So biting point is very important. If you know the correct biting point of your car, it will help you a lot to move your car forward smoothly. You need not rev your car too high if you know the correct biting point of your car, and it will also help you a lot while you are doing a hill start. If you know the correct biting point, then hill start will be a lot easier. So now let me show you by releasing the clutch pedal and find the exact biting point of my car. So let's put the car in first gear, press the clutch, put the car in first gear. If I slowly release the clutch, at this point the car has started to move forward, means this point is the biting point of my car. So if you know the biting point of your car, it will be a lot easier to move your car forward smoothly. So let me show you. Slowly release the clutch up to the biting point, and when you are at a biting point, gently give a gas, slowly release the clutch, and your car will move forward smoothly. So when you release the clutch at a point your car engine power is transferred to the wheel, that point is called the biting point of your car. So guys, this was all for today's video. Hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like the video, and if you guys are new here, please subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Drive safe and take care.